In this video, we'll show you how to change the throttle body on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the throttle body on your vehicle, you need to remove the engine cover and the air intake system. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the two clamps located on either side of the duct. Then, take out the duct. Remove the air hose by pulling on it. Remove the engine cover. Pull on it to unclip it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Disconnect the throttle body connector. To do this, start by pulling on the red tab, then on the connector. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body in place. Then, remove it. Protect the inlet of the air intake system by plugging it with paper towels to prevent impurities from polluting the system. You can order the throttle body used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the paper towel. Remove the used gasket. Take the new gasket. Put the gasket back in place. Install the new throttle body by threading the retaining bolts through their slots. Then, screw the retaining bolts back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Put the engine cover back on. Reconnect the hose. Replace the air intake duct. Then, screw the hose clamps back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Operation complete.